Hello Jets! In this video, you will be learning the science principles behind Gideon OKON'S water bubbling effect. And here's a preview. Let's hear from Gideon now.
This one, the fresh air which is going inside. You know the thread gets old. From the old, the fresh air is now going inside. The can is now coming out again.
You get talent too.
I think before I do.
Okay. You should think. What about this one?
My ball.
So how did he do that? First, he compresses the bottle and this decreases the volume available for air and increases the pressure in the bottle. He then closes the bottle, sealing off air. Third, he pulls up the thread. And because the thread is running from the bottle cap to the bottom of the bottle, the slight movement of this thread causes entry of air into the bottle, creating bubbles. The bubbling effect will however stop when the pressure in the bottle equals atmospheric pressure. Gideon also shares why water does not leak.
I wish I used nail. Now share water will be leaking out.
Yes,
But
yes,
I
yes,
use
we
nail.
do.
I know water leak out. I just chuck it inside and I carry the mineral out.
You come and say for you again.
But do you see water drop out? I wish I used nail. Share water will be leaking out. But no water leak out. We need to do this to soak clothes. That's how I do.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
In summary, the bubbling effect will stop as soon as air is prevented from entering the bottle or when the air pressure in the bottle equals atmospheric pressure. Water in the bottle is not boiling, as conditions for water to boil at room temperature is very different from this case. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do share with friends and don't forget to subscribe.